Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I thought it would be interesting to purchase this Nostalgia 4-tier stainless steel chocolate fondue fountain. I don't think I've ever had fondue before. I haven't even tried melting, I think, Velveeta cheese in the microwave for nachos or something. But yeah, thought it'd be interesting to give this a try. Have a nice chocolate fountain and dip, maybe just like in the picture, some strawberries in it. Of course, the chocolate fondue fountain isn't going to be any good without chocolate. So usually, you know how Amazon suggests stuff, just makes sense in this case. You have to buy chocolate. So this is the chocolate that I purchased for this 4-tier chocolate fondue fountain, and it's stainless steel, so hopefully it cleans up nice and lasts long. Let's take a look inside. So open it up. Got the manual here, instruction manual, and you have a tower, an auger, and then the stainless steel bottom of the bowl. Hopefully it's removable for easy cleanup, but we'll find out soon enough. Let's tip this on its side. There's the auger. So here's the base unit right here. Got the plastic. Oh, these are the levels, I guess. Let's spread the chocolate out. I thought they looked like they were going to, well, they were covered in chocolate, that's why. Subconsciously I thought they were tinted. So, that's the base unit. And the different attachments. I think these tubes interconnect as you assemble your different tiers. There's the tiers. There's one there. That's the top one. Looks like the next level. And the next level. And the fourth level. And here's the auger. Alright, so you have your 4 tiers. Here's the auger. And here's the tube that holds the auger. I was mistaken about this design here. This is the base, and this is all one unit. So this is all one unit. I guess that's the way it has to be, because this is the motor here. You can see that the auger will connect to and we'll spin the auger, and then the base locks into these 3 posts. So this unit here, you'll have to clean out probably by hand. I don't believe that this is something that you want to put in your sink or in your dishwasher, for that matter. So this just sits in there, it doesn't snap in or anything. And then the auger, there's only one way the auger can go in. You can see there, I don't know if you can see that, it's a triangle. So that sits on that, like so. Oh, you know what? You have to separate these two. That's the top. I mean, that's the very bottom one. That goes on like so. And then the next one, go ahead. I don't even have to look at the manual. So that goes on like that. The next tier, like so. And then the next one. And then you have the very top here. Oh, that's not actually, that's how the, there's a ridge or a notch on that. So it's a little bit of a cup. I guess you'd call that a tier, but that holds the chocolate when it comes up from the auger. Little bowl, and then the others, it flows down. So this is what it looks like. So you take 2 pounds of chocolate chip or chocolate for fondue, and you microwave it. So you don't heat it and melt it completely in this unit. You heat it in the microwave first and then pour it into this unit here. And then you want to preheat this unit 3 to 5 minutes. So let me go put this in a microwave. This is 2 pounds. It says 2 pounds each one of these bags. It's sold as a pair. Is 2 pounds. All right, so these chips here, didn't put them all in the microwave. Only took 2 minutes to melt down completely on high heat. I brought some cherries and some strawberries, and there's 2 buttons here. One's for the heat, turn it on, 3 to 5 minutes preheat, and then the other one is for the motor that turns the auger. And you can see the auger, it brings the fondue up to the top. So hopefully this isn't going to go all over the place. I didn't think about the noise level of these, so I don't know if people, if there are manufacturers that make quieter versions of these. Probably they do, with an increased cost, of course. So here's the melted chocolate. This goes in. I clean the base out with a wet paper towel first. So in goes the chocolate, and it's pouring down. It did get a little bit quieter with the chocolate in. There are 3 feet on the base of this. 2 are adjustable. You know, you don't need all 3. That's good. So depending on how this is pouring out, I would imagine you can either adjust it with the chocolate in, or maybe try it out with something different, like water. No, it would have to be viscous. So you adjust these feet to get the even flow. So if you tilt it this way, you have to pick the feet up, or just turn this. So there's 2, like I said, these 2 feet adjust. And you can get it. You'll see that it starts to get an even distribution on the 3 levels. Yeah. So you can see how that works. Cool. Now this looks like it would take 2 of those packets. So that's the Nostalgia 4-tier stainless steel chocolate fondue fountain. Let's try a cherry covered in chocolate. That's delicious. And a strawberry. You definitely want to put a nice tablecloth down or something for protection, easily to clean up and catch any of these drips. I'm discovering that as I speak. So there's a close-up of it working. There's a close-up of me eating a strawberry. This can be a mess. Yep, chocolate and strawberries sure go together. So that's the unboxing and operation and review, I guess, of the Nostalgia 4-tier stainless steel chocolate fondue fountain. It does have some noise associated with it, so it's not just going to be this completely quiet unit that you can concentrate on the display. But for the cost, I mean, this is something, maybe bring the family together on a weekend, enjoy some cherries and strawberries and marshmallows, maybe, whatever goes good with chocolate, which is mostly, well, a lot of things. So, hope you found this video helpful, informative. If you're looking to purchase one of these fondue fountains. So thanks for stopping by. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, like, and comment. And thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.